What is going on today, guys? Welcome back. Just a very short video that's primarily meant for Instagram, but I figured we'd put it on here as well. Adam LZ posted a stay-at-home burnout challenge. We are obviously at my home shop. There's my home in the background. So we're going to partake in this. A lot of guys tagged me in this, but we're going to be doing this in the first gen Cummins. Obviously, completely stock. We got some Nitto 420s on the back. Hopefully they are just about done at the end of this, but really just meant to lighten the mood with everything that's going on in the world. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you guys like it, and yeah, enjoy the burnout.
You're on fire. Don't do it, you're on fire.
Oh shit.
What do you want me to do? Where's your fire extinguisher? I don't know. What do you want me to do?
All right, we have a problem.